Let me show you how you can copy and paste a text on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So most of the time, if it's possible to copy a text on your phone, you can just simply press and hold your finger on the text. So for example, I want to copy this last sentence. I can press and hold my finger, for example, on the beginning. And as you can see, we have highlighted this first part. And we can immediately copy it. We can also select everything, etc. But we can also grab by these light blue corners over here and we can extend it all the way to the end of it. Of course, we can just select the specific range. And once you select everything that you want to copy, just tap on copy over here and there we go. Now we have copied our text. And if you want to paste it, of course, you can just find it over here where we have the clipboard and a part of the text over here. Once we open our keyboard, if you tap on it, then you will paste the whole copied text, or you can tap on this clipboard icon over here, and let's actually skip this, and then you should be able to find the recently copied text over here, and you can keep tapping in order to keep pasting. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.